Here we go, here we go.
This shit's cold out here, but hey, shout out to Native Braidz. Yeah, I got my custom made braided necklace with the arrowhead.
I'm native made. Maria walked me home in the rain, the Amazon to the plains. Indígena alliance ceremony and science, I'm not light skinned. Homie. I'm the color of a bison, jagged sub uno. You know this a Toltec.
Yeah. Here we go. It's cold out here. Just fucking snowing. Hey, best believe it.
Jaguar, I walk on all fours, you can't Christianize me. Escuchen, in the midst of warfare, I stand my ground for the regalia that I wear. Gratitude to the water, the sky and air, I'm psychologically prepared. Plumas in my hair, I'm the white devil's nightmare. I wasn't even there. I pleaded not guilty, federales trying to kill me. The gods that live around me are the ones
and it's just fucking cold, like 30 degrees. It's 30 degrees out here.
My mother wasn't granted asylum, still Jesucristo didn't save us. At the border they cage us. Remember, he allowed them to enslave us. In every encomienda throughout Abya Yala, we're sharper than blades. I eat to playa larga, I'm native made. Maria walked me home in the rain, the Amazon to the plains. Indígena alliance ceremony and science, I'm not light skinned. Homie. I'm the color of a bison, jagged sub uno. You know this a Toltec lesson.
Positive and negative war. I travel through space now. Positive and negative war has now begun. Travel through space now.